hands are under your shoulders. You're gonna extend your legs back and find that perfect plank, one straight line of energy. Now with the running man, you're just gonna drop both knees and then lift them up. Try not to disturb your plank. Keep your hips stable. Drop and lift. Drop and lift. Go for about 15 to 20 of those. You'll really feel the lower abdominals. Second one is bird dog in plank. So you might be familiar with the bird dog on hands and knees. Now we're gonna try it in plank, which is a little bit more challenging. So try not to disturb your plank. Extend one arm forward, one leg back, and then switch sides. And it's very challenging to try and stay even, but give it a go and try 10 on each side. Next one is uneven plank. So you're gonna lower one forearm and keep the other arm straight plank, come up and then switch sides. And you can continue going back and forth. Again, 10 reps on each side. This next one I really like because it tones your tush as well. So we're gonna strengthen our buttocks and our core, a little hamstring curl. You're gonna pull your heel, and then release the leg straight, and then kick, and release. And again, try and keep that perfect plank, abs scooped in, shoulders down and back, and the ribs drawn together. So you wanna go for about 8 to 10 on each side. And the last variation is to take the feet really wide and the hands together, and you'll feel your inner thighs, pelvic floor, lower abs even more, and you'll just hold this for a good 60 seconds. And then you'll really feel your body burning. Make sure you breathe, keep those abs held in. Grab a weight anywhere from 3 to 10 pounds. Lie back so that you can take your hands underneath your lower back for a little extra support. Grab the weight between your feet and lift it up. And then scoop the knees in, hollowing out those lower abs, and then shoot the legs out. So you're gonna scoop in and out. Scoop in and out. Try for 15 to 30 reps, 3 to 4 times a week.